Took a new photo reference while in St. Augustine trying to get the Rembrandt lighting where there is a triangle of light on the shadow cheek, and so I thought I got a pretty good picture. Here in close examination while trying to sketch it, I realized that there's still quite a bit of, questionable areas like within shadows as far as the tonal value. But anyway, I was trying a serious sketch of the photo, and one thing that struck me is that I try to go as long as possible doing the basic proportion at the beginning, spent like a whole minute on it, and basically, but that was not long enough, and I think that I'm going to try this one again and spend more time on the initial stage. But anyway, looking at it here at the end, I thought, the forehead's like way too small, and this area is way too small, and so obviously I jumped into details way too early because the overall shape and form of the head is completely kind of wrong. So let's see what happens next time. Thanks for watching.